All right, guys. Moving on to the next video. Uh, on this one, we are going to be installing the rear control panel for the air conditioning and the uh, cigarette outlet or 12-volt outlet, I guess. Um, so I got the new part right here. This is the new part here. Uh, And again, the reason for replacing this is because uh, the the seat heater buttons do not work properly on it, and I'm hoping that it's just the touch controls for it is bad, and there's not another issue. But we are going to replace it nonetheless, whether it fixes it or not. If it doesn't fix it, uh, I will go to the dealership and see why, because I don't want the car to catch on fire or wear the seat heaters out because of faulty controls or something, a wiring issue or something. So I'm gonna go ahead and set you up, and we are gonna get the original control panel off and replace it with the new one. All right, I don't have a great camera angle for this. This is the best that I can do with this, with the lack of space. So this is pretty straightforward. This just pops out, just a few clips holding it, and a few electrical connections. All right, so this should be pretty straightforward, and it just pops right out. Let's probably start down here. All right, so I pull from the bottom, and it just pops out like that. And can't really see it from here, but there is a electrical connector for the cigarette lighter on the bottom right here, and then there's another one right here. This one just presses from the side and it comes out. And this one I think is a little bit more difficult. Let me see. Okay, so this one just has like a little press tab as well, right here, and there it is. That's the original unit. This isn't in bad condition, but like I said, this panel here was causing me issues with the seat heater, and hopefully that fixes the issue. If not, then we will continue to pursue the issue. Alright, so I got a new unit here, and we'll just go ahead and plug everything in. And this is the cigarette lighter, and then this is the actual electrical connector for the display. That just plugs back in, and you just pop it back in place. Alright, everything looks good. Everything works properly. Alright, just making sure it's seated properly. And now to test to see if it works. so the display is on. I guess the seat heaters don't come on unless the car is cranked, so I guess we'll crank it. Alright, that's the air conditioning, that's the seat heaters, and they're working. Alright, so it looks like it's working properly. Alright, so it looks like it's working properly. So that's a good thing. That's a very straightforward repair, possible repair. But I'm glad we got it situated, and I'll let you know if it decides to stop working. And so we are going to end this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next repair.